and we're off. We're at the phase of the project now at Beaverton High School where staff and teachers have been able to come in and look at some of their spaces that are nearing completion. We've gone through every single department and reviewed their spaces with them. Office, a storage room, we have our teaching wall here. For most staff, this is the first time they're getting into the building.
This is the main entryway.
We got to experience the flow of the building from the offices, how somebody would enter, how they would interact with the front desk.
You buzz people in, they come through a set of doors here.
It's pretty amazing seeing all the different ways that you can get places quickly.
There's more classrooms, there's another flex space down here. Go right across that courtyard and it's going to take you right into the performing arts area.
Mind your step over the cords.
The things I'm most excited about that we got to see are the gym spaces.
Got a big storage area in the back.
Locker rooms.
Lockers that go here, kind of surround with benches.
There's much more opportunity for kids to be active, including the indoor track that's on the second story, which kind of syncs up with the auxiliary gym that they've got. There's a whole entire sound system, which is something we've never had, and that's really going to be exciting for our PE classes as well as our athletic teams.
Even for the staff that it's not their first time getting into the building, I think that it's the first time that you can really understand what it's going to look like. So we're coming onto the stage.
It was the first time I got to see it where it's starting to look like a theater.
So what were you taking pictures of? What were those for?
Those were for the kids. I just wanted to give them something to see that they could get excited about. They're beside themselves.
I picture community members, families being incredibly excited that there is this beautiful new space that really shows the commitment that Beaverton has to our kids and to our families and to our future.
Staff has been overwhelmingly happy
Thank you.
with their spaces. They're starting to see some of the things that they asked for show up in the building.
They've been talking to us the whole time and they've been hitting the mark. We're pretty lucky.
We've provided them what they need and flexibility for the future.
We're cutting through the science classroom wing. Second and third floor are the same science configuration.
The wooden panel ceiling that they did, which kind of mimics PDX a little bit, is the coolest.
This area here, we call this our mega stair. We're actually going to have 3-story artwork that goes all the way up to the third floor. It's going to be really cool when we get it done.
It's modern, there's tons of natural light.
And it brings all that natural light right in here into the gym.
It's kind of incredible.
The entire building and structure and setup is really going to be an upgrade for us.
We are so lucky to be in Beaverton. Thank you.